people are paying for AI video generators like Grok AI, and most free AI video tools online aren't actually free. Even some of my older videos were like that. So I got tired of it and asked my developer friend to build an AI video generator that stays free forever with unlimited generations. And he actually did it. So let me show you how to use it, and let's generate something insane. First, open this website. You'll find the link in the description. And make sure you follow every step properly, because there are a few important things you need to do to use it completely free. Once you're here, tap on all free tools from the left sidebar. You'll see a bunch of free AI tools here, but we want the AI video generator, so open this one. Now, this is where you can generate AI videos for free. You can create text to video from here and image to video from here. I'll show you both because the second one is honestly insane. So first, let's try image to video. Here I have an image of an entire city built on top of a giant sleeping human. Now, unlike most AI tools, this one is super simple to use. Just upload your image here, then paste your prompt here and click on generate. It usually takes just a few seconds. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch this. Okay, wow. This actually looks crazy. There's no watermark, the motion looks smooth, and it even generated the audio perfectly. And the best part is you can literally create any type of video you want. If you want to save it, just tap on download video. Now, let me quickly show you text to video. This one is even easier. Just paste your prompt here, hit generate, and boom, your video is ready. And since this is our own AI tool, it will stay completely free and unlimited. But if you want new features or run into any issues, just leave a comment and we'll update it as fast as possible. And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe because I'll be posting more free AI tools like this.